If Microsoft Store is not opening or showing error code 0x80076D9, do not skip this video. This fix takes less than 2 minutes and works on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open the Windows search box. Type Services and open it. Scroll down and find Storage Service. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. Click Start if it is not running. Click OK. Now right-click on Storage Service and select Restart. Close Microsoft Store and open it again. Check if the error is fixed. If the error is still there, open Windows Search. Type Reset and run the command. Microsoft Store will reopen automatically. Check again. If the issue is still not fixed, open Windows Search. Type Microsoft Store. Right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down. Click Terminate. Then click Repair. If it still does not work, click Reset. Now open Microsoft Store again. The error should be fixed. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows and game fixes.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on.